The umbrella body of the protesting farmers, Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, has stated that a Nihang group at the scene has claimed responsibility for the brutal murder of a man along the Singhu border earlier in the day. SKM condemned the gruesome killing and said that neither Lakhbir nor the Nihang group had any relation with Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. Joining us at this point is Raman Malik, spokesperson of the BJP. Ved Bhushan, former ACP Delhi Police, is also joining us live. Sanjay Nath Singh, President and Secretary, All India Farmers Association, is live with us. Sara Ali Khan, political analyst, also joins us live. Sanjay Nath Singh, let me begin with you first. Now, the point, of course, over here is from the Lakhimpur incident, in which four farmers, and 3 BJP Karyakartas and 1 journalist were killed. From then,
try forgetting the driver,
to today, from then to today, now with another individual losing his life at the Singhu border, who will take onus for all these lives lost because of this farmers' agitation?
SKM.
And when will we end this once and for all? Sanjay Nath Singh.
Well, what happened at Lakhimpur, I don't think that is connected with this murder which is taking place at the Singhu border.
But they're all offshoots of the same protest. That's why I'm saying this protest is now spiraling into violence at various pockets of the country.
No, I really don't know whether those are sporadic or violence incidents of violence. Or I don't think the Kisan, the farmers would do something like what happened at the Singhu border. You see, what happened in Lakhimpur is different from what has happened here. Here there was nobody who had been mowed down. Here there was nobody where the farmers, whether they attacked BJP Karyakartas or the journalist or the driver. So that is different. What has happened over here is absolutely, I think, isolated. I really don't know who has done it. Or is this a kind of a way of, all kinds of elements getting into this farmers' agitation, and then they are doing things which is going to discredit the farmers in totality. So if you look at it, I really don't know. It doesn't even look like politics at Singhu border. What has happened over here? But politics can erupt over this. Who has done it? We don't know. They say they saw some group of Nihangs were also seen over there. The only investigations will prove as to what really happened. I am totally, and I've tried to find out from my own sources. Nobody seems to have a clue as to who these people are behind this particular murder of a youth whose hand was severed and he was hung upside down. This is something which is very, very bizarre.
Yeah, it is certainly, of course, bizarre, and perhaps a probe is needed into what exactly took place today. Raman Malik, who is responsible for all of this? The Sanyukt Kisan Morcha says it's a group of Nihangs, and neither the Nihangs nor the individual who has been killed have anything to do with the protest. Is that correct according to you?
I think this is an utter crap, atrocious lies. Rajowal or Rakesh Shikayat or Charuni or Darshan Pals and Yogendra Yadav, Abhimanyu Pahats, and all these bloody buggers, and I'm sorry I'm using this language in your show, are totally responsible for this, because these were the very guys who said action ka reaction hota hai. And they were the guys who had come up with a press conference, if you remember, some time back, when they said we have our own intelligence in the whole thing. Where was that intelligence going when the rape happened? Where was the intelligence when this all stuff happened? Were the people who reported this to police? And I also asked the police, both of Haryana and of Delhi today, not being just of BJP, but I'm asking, you are the people who are responsible for executing the orders. Where is your intelligence today? What are you guys doing? In Gurgaon, you get the time to allocate spaces for namaz and do the meetings and everything. What are you doing here? Where is your intelligence? When it happened at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, where were you sleeping? Now the Chief Minister or the Home Minister of India is not going to come and pinpoint each and every location. The bureaucracy, I'm sorry, has taken it as being in a la-la land. And today, I also am so grieved. I'm wearing the first time today, I'm wearing a black band as a sign of protest on your show. Because those who have gone to Lakhimpur and started talking about akhlaqs in Lakhimpur will not talk about this. Those who are going gaga over Mr. Channi becoming the chief minister have forgotten that this guy could also have been Dalit. What actually is happening is Talibanization. This is nothing less than what happened in Afghanistan. And I'm outraged today. Every Indian should be outraged. This is not farmers. These are mercenaries. I am sorry, but I don't think that they are anywhere near to those places where people should have any civil conversation with them. And when they say, Uday, that they do not have anything to do with it, then why did they let them establish camps there? Why did they let them establish camps there? Now, comes another important issue which needs to be answered. And I respectfully would request, if at all the Chief Justice of India, Sahab, and the Supreme Court judges are watching in their hand folded, I pray to them that if you could take suo motu action on Lakhimpur, when are you going to order the Delhi police and the Haryana police to take immediate action and apprehend the perpetrators of this heinous crime? Have you ever, Uday, reported a heinous crime with such videos in your life, in your entire career as journalism? I know so many journalists and I've been speaking to them. None whatsoever can recall another parallel incident which they may have reported upon where videos of such gruesome barbarism has come forward.
Okay.
It pains today. It pains. And I'm not going to celebrate Vijay Dashmi today because this cannot be Vijay Dashmi, for me at least.
Okay. Let me take that across to Sarem Ali Khan. Sarem Ali Khan, who is responsible for this in your opinion? And is there now an urgent solution needed to end this once and for all, because lives are beginning now to get lost week after week?
Well, absolutely. What happened today at Sindhu border is, you cannot justify it. It's absolutely shame. And I don't think the farmers, the true farmers who were sitting there in a protest would justify it too. And what happened today is, because farmers do not justify like lynching, and the strict action should be taken against the people who did this heinous crime. And yes, there should be a proper investigation against the people who did it. But at the same time, you need to understand the protest that has been happening all around, like so many places because of the farmers. You just cannot take the credit out of it, because they are sitting peacefully. And what happened a couple of days ago at Lakhimpur Kheri was also something which is a shame too, and the people who suffered there were really farmers. So I would say
farmers don't do lynching, sir. Farmers, Mr. Abbas, farmers do not lynch. And you're talking about just 4 people. You're forgetting the other 5 who have lost life in that. So please do not equate.
I am not equating, sir. What I'm trying to explain it to you here is that the people who lost their life were farmers there. And it was because who was driving the vehicle. We all know it. The investigation
Abbas,
is there.
Have you read the postmortem report of the driver who was killed? He was cut. Have you read the postmortem report? Please try and read it.
I haven't read the report
He
of
was
the driver,
cut by
but I know.
instruments. That means talwars. Do farmers do like that?
Am I justifying it, sir? Am I justifying it? I am not.
You are.
No, I am
overtly
not justifying it. I am saying the proper investigation should be done, and the people who did it should
Then
be
you
against.
should on the same breath say this proper investigation on the other 5 in Lakhimpur also should be done.
Absolutely, absolutely. I am not justifying anything, sir. Here, I am saying the proper investigation should be done at Lakhimpur Kheri too. Who did it? The farmers who have lost their life too, sir. And what happened at
And what
Singhu
about
border
the
is
other 5?
absolutely. Sorry, sir.
Would the other 5 who have lost their lives, they do not matter.
They do matter. They, sir,
और वो
I'm saying
action का reaction fulfill करोगे.
it's not action ka reaction, sir. I am trying to explain it to you what happened. Do you support what happened at Lakhimpur Kheri?
I do not support any crime whatsoever, and especially what happened in Lakhimpur Kheri, and
The farmers
not just
there
that, and
were
what
creating
happened
chaos or
here
any such thing there?
is totally the responsibility is on the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha.
No, sir,
because
I
they
am
are the
asking you,
organizers.
the farmers who were sitting there was creating any chaos
Where?
in Lakhimpur?
Are you going to justify what happened in that 22 seconds of video?
I'm trying to ask you
That
a question,
has to
sir.
be properly investigated. That is what
That's equally what I'm saying here, sir.
But the fact
let me bring
is,
in Ved
but the
Bhushan.
fact is,
Let me
5
bring in
people
Ved Bhushan.
getting
Ved
killed,
Bhushan,
if
is
that
this an
okay?
intelligence failure as well? Should the police, should the intelligence machinery have known that there could have been such incidents? Is there time now to deal with these protests with a firm hand? Is it time to clear up these protests once and for all? If the organizers cannot guarantee safety of individuals around the periphery, what is leading to this incidents like what we've seen today? Ved Bhushan.
If you see
Ved Bhushan.
entire so-called Kisan Andolan, the day one, they were asked to sit at Buradi side. They were given proposed Buradi side. They were facilitated, but they were not ready from the day one. After that, what their mayhem they did across India. Had you seen what they did at Red Fort? Where is the toolkit masters here? There are lot of incidents. There are rapes across the border. They are Nihang. What the participation? Why they are Nihang? It is not a religious movement. What the Kisan Andolan leader Mahinder Singh Tikai doing? He was also a constable in Delhi police. Was he?
Rakesh Tikai, sir.
This is it a
Not Mahinder
democratic
Singh
way?
Tikai, Rakesh
Is it
Tikai.
a democratic way to remove this Andolan? The Supreme Court already mentioned that clear all the borders for Delhi, but they don't trust in law. They don't trust in parliament. The law, Kisan law is made by parliament. They come election and win and change the law. This is not the way. They must be dealt very harshly, very strongly by the police, by the paramilitary forces, whatever government must do. This is the right time. They must be cleared, and all the legal action, whatever required stringent action may be taken not only against these today's barbaric act, Talibani act, whatever you can say. They must be hanged. They must be tried as per law of the land. This is not the way they are. As Kisan Andolan is doing, lot of political parties are supporting for their interest, but it will not go on. Public knows. सब समझती है हिंदुस्तान की पब्लिक और आज सब कुछ समझ गई. This is the most barbaric act I had seen ever in my police career till date. I had never seen such a thing. You are confessing that we did it. It's a very shameful and surprising thing. You are making a video just like in Taliban, Afghanistan, and displaying, and several videos are coming, airing in public domain. What is this nonsense is going? This must be stopped. As the police or government must take action. This is the right time. There is no way.
Sir, I need to ask you something. When Delhi police has the audacity of hitting Shraddhalus at Kalka Ji Mandir in the night, why is it that Delhi police does not have the guts to go and pick out these hooligans?
Police.
Why are they waiting? Maintaining law and
By
order is the responsibility of the ACP and the DCP concerned.
with due courtesy and regard, I say, you know the political parties, the opposition, what is they are doing? They are only opposing government and police only.
Sir, we are in the
Haryana,
government. Please, sir, do not put in this government stuff.
Do you
Executive
want
is beyond government.
Police do
Executive and judiciary are to support the legislature. They are not supposed to just sit down. If there's something which is not constitutional, the executive must act. And you are part, Delhi police is part of the executive.
I agree. I agree. I never say that I don't agree. But you see the other part also. I'm not justifying
सर
that.
हम पॉलिटिकल तू मैं हम बाद में कर लेंगे सर. मैं भाजपा से हूं और मेरे को पता है कि कांग्रेसियों को और दूसरों को क्या जवाब देना है. लेकिन आज मैं पीड़ित हूं क्योंकि मेरे को ये समझ में नहीं आता कि एक इंसान को दूसरा इंसान ऐसे बारबैरिक एक्ट से, ऐसे तालिबानी तरीके से कैसे मार के वीडियो
Let me take that to Sanjay Nath Singh. Sanjay Nath Singh, you know, coming back across to you, at the end of the day, once again, I want to go back to what I started by asking you. Is it time to find a solution now, an end game for this protest, because lives are beginning to be lost now?
It's been, I think it's absolutely what you said is correct. It's high time that this farmers' protest and all that should come to an end. From day one, I had been saying, rather, since the protest started about a year back, I had been saying that the protests are wrong, the reasons for the protest are wrong. Then, as we progressed, we found that various kinds of elements who had also joined in. And today I am quite sure, and I don't mind saying it now, first I was hesitant, that there are anti-national elements which have got into this protest, who are trying to destabilize this country. They want to destabilize this country. The normal lives of people are suffering. The economy is suffering. The kind of money that is being lost because of these protests. We had some estimates that in Delhi, the economy had suffered something during the high time of the protest, something like 3,500 crores a day. That's a national waste. These leaders who are there, I'm sorry to say, the government has been talking to only these farmer leaders who are there at the border, that is led by Mr. Rakesh Tiket and some other leaders. Some of them are people who are men for all seasons. If there's a student protest, they become students. If there's a farmer protest, they become farmers. And you know I'm referring to whom. So they are not farmer leaders at all. Mr. Rakesh Tiket is not at all a farmer leader. Let me tell you, he works for himself. He doesn't work for the welfare of the people, of the Kisans. I'm sorry to say that. And then a moment something like this happens, there are various political parties who try to gain mileage out of it. And the entire farmer movement has been totally hijacked, not once but several times, and it's getting hijacked again. The country is going to suffer at this rate. But the farmers will never do something what has happened yesterday, or rather last night or today morning. It is very unfortunate. What happened in Lakhimpur? Well, the kind of reports, the counter reports also which have come, that people were literally lynched. I don't think farmers will do that. Farmers will never do something like that. So there are elements, and I have my doubts and I have my reasons to believe that there are elements who want to destabilize this country. And that will be very sad, because there are many countries who are not happy with us, especially our neighbors. So it's high time the negotiation should take place, and please negotiate. The government, I request, should negotiate with farmer leaders from across the country, not to these few odd people who are sitting at the Singhu border.
Sarim.
Yes, absolutely. This is the high time, and because the people are losing life. And let me tell you that it's not only today. Since the protest has been started, so many farmers, have lost their life while protesting and sitting out there in the cold. Because their lives also matters, and and absolutely the proper investigation should be done regarding if it's Lakhimpur Kheri or it's about the Singhu border. What happened today? Absolutely.
Okay, let's leave it at that. My thanks to all of our guests for joining us. A quick break on that note. Stay with us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.